So today, I want to talk about two of my favorite things, sharks and ice cream. I'm going to pull up a data set that shows different beach cities over a 10-year period. It shows the temperature in each city, and it shows two other factors, the ice cream sales in dollars and the number of shark attacks, because it's going to allow us to play around with some interesting data. Okay, and we'll look at some different chart types and how to make them. And I am going to actually walk you through this Jupyter notebook and show you how you can actually use these visualizations in a Jupyter notebook to explore a data set. Before we get into that though, let me just show you the raw data. Okay, so this is what the data looks like without any other stuff going on. So we've got city, state, year, shark attacks, ice cream sales, high temperature for that year. Okay, so for all of these different cities, and that gives us about 200 rows of data exactly. So there's 20 cities, 10 years per city, and this is what the data looks like that we're going to be playing with. So first thing we need to do in the Jupyter notebook is load, and we're going to import pandas, we're going to import Plotly. We are going to load the CSV file as a data frame, and let's just print that data frame for reference. Okay, you can see it's truncated here, but we've got city, state, year, shark attacks, ice cream sales, little trip there, and high temperature. Okay, so if there's not enough room to display it over here, then it just shows that high temperature. So that is the data frame, and I'm going to hide that so that we can get on with things here. So the first